How do you like your eggs? Scrambled. Over easy. Scrambled. Over easy. Scrambled. Over easy. Did somebody say hard boiled? Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be opening up a box of Weiss Schwarz Blue Archive, the animation. I believe the animation is different than the original Blue Archive. I think they have different card lists. Here's some of the rarities. English exclusives, that'd be cool. Secret, maybe some SPs. I'd be all for it. I don't really know much about Blue Archive. I just happened to see this at my local game store and thought, hey, it looks like a cool box. Let's pick it up and see what kind of card art there is. Alright, looks like we got us a little box topper. Going first. Oh, I can already tell I'm going to like this art. That's cute looking. Little cat ears and the sleepy girl. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think this will be a good box. Okay. Put that up there. Put this down here. Alright. Yeet. Okay. First pack. Let's jump into it. Alright. Okay. Like I said, I don't know these characters. I don't know these cards. She wished to become Aru. Okay. The art style is kind of almost faded looking, like it's a really light color palette. Scene of youth. Battle against Kaiser Corporation, Nanomi. Oh, this is pretty cool. Got us a triple rare. Hard-boiled outlaw squad. Hard-boiled outlaw squad. Okay, it's kind of funny. Makes me think of an egg. That's a pretty cool pull right off the bat. First pack. Wow. Okay, here's the cat girl I saw from the box topper. Very adorable looking. I'm a big fan of cat girls. A normal girl, Hifumi. She's normal because she's not a cat. Got a lot of little stuffy she's holding. Problem Solver 68, Kayoko. There's a rare. Put the rare up there. And our climax, the fearsome prefect team. Okay. Is the prefect team different than the hard-boiled squad? I don't know. Maybe all that will become clear. In the midst of moving, Haruku, pretty adorable character. Envious gaze, Haruku. Battle against Kaiser Corporation, Nanomi. A page of youth. Looks like somebody took a selfie with their phone. It's kind of cute looking. Scroll down here, different color eyes. Okay. In a meeting, Hoshino. In a meeting. This is how I look in my meetings, especially if they don't make me turn my camera on. In a meeting, Nanomi. Okay, so they're in a lot of meetings. Maybe it's some type of school club. Here's a rare. Oh, that's a mouthful down there. A moment with the foreclosure task force, Nanomi, and Hoshino. Okay, that's a lot to say. With task force, hardball squad. Seems like there's a theme of different groups. The fearsome prefect team. All right, here's the third one. Okay, seems like it's kind of a school club thing, maybe. Daily life at Abidos. Hoshino is the girl with the different color eyes. Cute looking. There's another Haruka. Medic of the prefect team. Chinatsu. Oh, is that a rifle somebody's holding next to her? Why she got the red armband? It's like a military thing or something. Ooh, got an SR. Problem Solver 68, Aru. Okay, kind of cool. One of the more busty characters. Oh, look at the foiling on her rifle. Oh, that's kind of neat. Alright, got our first SR. And a meeting, seen this one. Administrator of the system box. Ooh, what is this system box? Look at how, like the pastel, really faded kind of coloring on this. It's kind of pretty. Here's a rare, an unknown landscape, Shiroko. And our normal everyday life. I bet you they're on the roof of a building. It's very cliche. Yeah, all these girls look really cute. Yeah, I think I'd be a fan of this art style. Let's keep going. Okay, girl with the red armband, recognize her. Also girl with the red armband, but she has a gun. The breaks of the prefect team, Chinatsu. Take a nap for a bit. Well, that's some gangster stuff to say. Pull the gun out, take a nap. Go to sleep, go to sleep. Shh. Way back home, Ayani. Here's a double rare. Foreclosure Task Force, Nanomi. She got a Gatling gun. Ooh. Okay, I really can't really get my fingers on what this anime is really about. I thought it was kind of school club slice of life, and then I see a bunch of guns. So I'm not really certain what's going on here. I got a girl with elf ears, looking all official. Aru, kind of cute looking. Got some demon horns or something going on. She looks like she's holding a rifle. So this is a double rare. Oh no, regular rare. And then our slice of life. This looks like the box topper. That must be the main squad of girls. Okay. The mass swimsuit gang, Nanomi. Is this another school club? A moment before going to bed. Shiroko. Oh, she's adorable. What does that say? Gehenna Academy second year student Utsuki. Alright. There's Ayani again. An unfamiliar sight. I always like the blushing, kind of embarrassed look. Memories at the Aquarium, Shiroko. And our rare, Gehenna Academy Hina. Okay, she's got like the little chain thing going on. I don't know what that's connected to. Just floating in her hair. Outlaws Backup. I feel like there's different school clubs and they're different factions. They're at war with each other. Could just be an exaggeration. She's cute. Kyoko. Kind of got like a little, I don't know, emo look. A little skunky emo. A moment before going to bed. Seeing this one. Ruthless Specialist Iori. Another adorable character. Memories at the Aquarium. Holding a little starfish. I think they're supposed to be in the water. Don't take those out. There's the girl with the white and black hair. Alright. We got us a rare. It's a cat girl. Abidos. High School Shiroko. Okay. Put you in the rare pile. And the True Outlaws. Yeah. It's a cute little group. Okay. I think we're halfway done. Moving right along. Speeding through this. Y'all let me know if this anime is worth watching or if it's a visual novel, light novel, just manga. I'm guessing since it says animation that it's anime. But I could be wrong. You never can tell. Whoa, another SR. Abidos High School Shiroko. Got some food. Oh, the food looks delicious. Oh, she looks like she's struggling to keep those or she's about to fall. Don't do it. Don't fall. That food looks way too good. Okay, got our second SR. That's cool. It looks like the cover art from the box. I yeeted it across the room, so can't really compare. And our rare. There's another mouthful of me. Let's see if I can get a good look at this. The moment with Foreclosure Task Force, Ayani and Shiroko. And she's got a little cupcake and she's got a little drink. Okay, and another selfie. Yeah, looks like a slice of life, but then you see them holding guns. So I don't know. I don't know where this is going. I don't know what this anime is about. We'll figure it out though. I like the purple eyes. Problem Solver 68's normal employee Haruka. I'm sure I'm butchering these names. That's cute looking. A moment before going to bed. Must be her pajamas. Meeting on the way home, Hoshino. This is the girl with the different color eyes. Got a double rare. Prefect Team Hina. She's the one with, she's got that kind of gold rings. Like, what are those connected to? They're just hanging there. Okay, double rare. Put that in the double rare pile. Sense of Youth, Shiroko. Cat girl. Bold Smile, Mitsuki. Oof, that's a bold smile, all right. Would I be bold to say it kind of looks a little evil? She got a little evil in her. Oh, is that the same girl? I think it, no, I don't think so. She looks smaller. And her hair has kind of like a tinge of blue. She got a real long rifle. She's got one of those red armbands. I don't know what the red armband means. The place where we belong. Look at this. It's such a serious scene. And then they're taking slice of life selfies. What is happening with this anime? I don't know. I don't get it. Okay. Oh man, she's the bustiest one we've seen so far. Akko. Let's get more Akko. Or we can get more of the cat girl too. I'd be okay with that. Prefect Team President Hina. Okay, so she's the one with the gold rings in her hair. Got another double rare. Go Home Club Hifumi. Okay, Chinatsu. Got elf ears. Kind of cute looking. Holding a little tea glass. Another one going a moment before going to bed. Nanomi. She's holding a different type of tea glass. Here's a rare. Obedios High School Nanomi. Kind of a plain looking foil. And looking for Peroro Sama. Peroro Sama. The limited edition Peroro doll with only 100 ever made. And I am sure I'm not saying that word right. Peroro. Say it with me. Say it. Peroro. Oh, please say it so I'm not the only one sounding like a fool. Say it out loud. And people around you can wonder. Peroro. Okay. I got a Mitsuki. Looking adorable. Akko looking genuinely scared. I got the Kayoko. Got the white and black hair. I got the third SR. Admiration towards outlaws. Aru. Got the demon horns. Some texturing in the back of this. This is the texturing on the foil. Kind of neat looking. Put you in the SR pile. Daily life at Abidos. Shiroko. Kayoko. The place where we belong. Shiroko. She's running in with what looks to be like a submachine gun, maybe. Like I said, I can't tell. Are they like killing each other? Or is this more figurative? Like, oh, look at this. We're happy in this school. And then the next scene, we're pulling out guns and shooting and running at each other. Okay, 2 packs left. All right, got the demon ear girl. She looks like she's in the middle of singing something. Kind of a cute look. Hoshino. This is one of those really muted colors. The start of battle. Haruka. Yes, let's sweep them away. What is she holding? What's all those ridges on there? Some kind of gun or chainsaw? Scary. Problem solver 68. Self-proclaimed boss Aru. Okay, self-proclaimed boss. Miraculous attack force Hina. In a meeting Hoshino. Yep, that's how I look in my meetings. We've been through this. Alright, Kayoko again. Got us a rare. Put that up there. And our climax. Ooh, look at those eyes. I like that look. Hard-boiled outlaw squad. We're back with the hard-boiled people. Hard-boiled as opposed to soft-boiled or over-easy. I'm sure their name is not a reference to actual eggs. Alright. Nanomi doing laundry. That's a cute look. Mitsuki. I've noticed they have this like kind of design over their head. Shiroko. That's a cute look. I like the cat girl. Hey, the double rare. Shiroko. Foreclosure Task Force. Shiroko. Got herself a rifle of some kind. Put you in the double rare stack. Haruka. Kayoko. A lot of cute girls in this. And the last rare, Ayane. Put you in the rare stack. And then our climax rare. This looks like the Hard Bull Squad, maybe. Oh no, this is the Prefect. Yeah, they got the red armbands. They seem very militant, very serious, very scary. Okay, that's the last pack. We'll do a quick recap. Before we do the recap, you would consider subscribing. Once I get 100 subscribers, I'll open up this box of Weiss Schwarz No Game No Life. I've been waiting for a long time to open it. I just need 100 subscribers and I'll reward myself. Okay, we'll start off with the rares. Kayoko, Ayane, Kayoko, Shiroko, Nanomi, Iori, Agnes, and Sarika. Shiroko, Hina, Aru, Shiroko. Okay, this one I actually got to zoom in a little bit. Nanomi and Hoshino. Ooh, that's a mouthful. That is a heck of a title. Okay, let's look at the double rares real quick. Foreclosure Task Force Shiroko, cute. Go Home Club Hifumi. Prefect Team Hina. Foreclosure Task Force Nanomi. Alright, see some of the names there. Look at our triple rare Hard Boiled Outlaw Squad. Ooh, look at that foiling. It's actually a pretty cool looking card. Yeah, it's pretty nice. And last but not least, our 3 SRs. We've got Admiration Towards Outlaws, Aru. She kind of has like a little darkness thing going on. You know what I'm talking about. Konosuba. Shiroko holding the delicious looking food. That foiling is actually really cool looking. And last but not least is Problem Solver 68 Aru with the foiling on the rifle, which actually looks pretty sweet. Okay, well, I appreciate y'all watching. If you wouldn't mind, hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see y'all next time.